Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today I am here with another video. So as you know that I have started my English speaking channel. By this way I am also learning English because my English is not good. So I want to improve my English as well as communication skills. That's why I have started this channel. So I have promised to myself to upload daily basis video. It doesn't matter I have uploaded I upload 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, 6 minutes, but daily I have decided to upload video. So slowly I am learning, but if you ask me how much improved, if you ask me how much I have improved, then I think I didn't improve so much, or I didn't I, I didn't improve because I am doing nothing apart from uploading video. But last 2 3 days I have uploaded only 1 or 2 videos, or but I have to continue this. I have to continue to I have to continue uploading these videos. By this way I can learn on English, because you have learned that by speaking more and more we can improve ourselves. So it is necessary to speak English to everyone. We must know to learn the English speaking. So if what is the advantage of speaking English? First of all, I would like to say it is a global language. That's why we must learn to know and learn to speak English. And if we have if we get the opportunity to go abroad or traveling abroad, then if we can't speak English, then how can we communicate with other people? How can I how can we can share our ideas? So, and speaking English gives you a good opportunity to get a job, or you can say gives a worldwide opportunities. So it is necessary to speak English. It is not necessary to speak English, but it is necessary to speak good English. We know that what I'm speaking, you all are understanding what I am speaking. But we have lots of phobia to speak English in front of someone. If I may ask someone to speak English, then if they are not speaking, then there are mainly three reasons. We first of all, maybe you don't know English. Maybe you know English, but you have the phobia to speak English. Third, you know English, but you think that someone find the mistakes on in you. So that's why we always afraid to speak English in front of anyone, because English is not our mother tongue. So that's why if we speak more and more speak English, then we can improve. Now the question arise, with whom we speak English? We can speak English because we can't speak English to everyone, because someone make laugh when we speak English. So first of all, we need to find the place. We need to find someone with whom we speak English frequently or fluently. We we doesn't have afraid of speaking or open mouth. We frankly laugh in front of them, and we frankly speak anything in front of them. So first of all, we need to find the partner, or and slowly we can learn easily English. And we have also focused on modal verbs as well as tenses, because modal verbs and without tenses we cannot speak English. We don't need to learn proper grammar, but we need to learn only main tenses, or you can say modal verbs like would, could, or some tenses are. But all this way we can speak English a good English. And practice makes some, you also heard that practice makes a man perfect. And also we need to learn too much verbs, so we learn slowly verbs like and we decided to make video on daily one topic. But slow, first of all I have to improve myself, I have to remove my hesitation as well as phobia, after then we can speak good English. So it is a main purpose to make video on daily basis 4 to 5 minutes in front of camera to remove my phobia. So I think it's enough for me, and thank you for watching. If you want to improve English with me through my channels, then you can, through my videos, then you can like my video, you can subscribe my channels also. Thank you for watching.